Lilli Tagger is an Austrian professional tennis player. She has a career-high WTA singles ranking of world number 47. Achieved on 26 July 2026, she played with a single-handed backhand and is currently the number 2 Austrian player in women's singles. Tagger won the girls' singles title at the 2025 French Open. In July 2026 live sport Pegu she won the first WTA single title, defeating Daria Singur in the final after beating Barbora in the semi-final. This made her the youngest finalist or champion in certain historical context for the event. She began competing on ITF circuit in 2022. Early highlights include a first ITF doubles title in 2024 and her first single titles in 2025. She also reached an ITF final in Amsterdam 2025. She comes from a tennis family. Her father, Stephen, competed at a high level in Austria's top league. Her mother, Sabine, played in a top women's league and later won a national senior title, and she has two older siblings who plays well. Tagger began tennis around age 5 in Linz. She switches from a two-handed to a one-handed backhand at age 12 after winning a tournament on the beat with her coach. In her mid-teens, she moved to Verzi, Italy to train at Sissibon's Academy. Away from the court, she enjoys ski and ice hockey. In March 2025, Tagger won her first ITF circuit single title, defeating Luis Boson in a straight sets final in Spain. In November 2023, Tagger reached her first ITF women's circuit final in Sharm el-Sheikh. She won her first ITF Tour doubles title in Viterbo, Italy in July 2024. In July 2024, the Austrian qualified for the girls single at the 2024 Wimbledon Championships with a win over Ksenia Efremova in a 10-6 match tiebreak. She made her first ITF Women's Circuit final in late 2023 and captured her first ITF doubles title in July 2024 in Viterbo, Italy. Made her WTA on 25